Meaning of humongous.
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 Humongous. The word humongous is an adjective used to describe something that is extremely large, enormous, or gigantic in size or scale. It is often used as an exaggeration to emphasize the size or magnitude of something. For example, a building or a cake could be described as humongous if it is significantly larger than what is considered normal or expected. The word might also be used to convey a sense of awe or wonder at the sheer size of something. In short, humongous is a colorful and playful way to describe something that is massively large.